LawCall.
Welcome back, everyone. If you're just joining us tonight, we're talking about taking all your calls on Ask Us Anything. And I'm joined by our host attorney tonight, it's Wendell Horne, and our guest attorney, he's not really a guest though, it's Marty Sin, both from the law firm of Reynolds, Horne Survant. The phone lines are lit up, so we want to get right back to you. And we want to take our next caller is Nita, holding for us from Macon. Hi, Nita.
Hi, thank you for taking my call.
Go ahead.
I want to talk to you about my 20-year-old purchasing a used car from a used car lot in Macon. She was advised that because she didn't have credit, she may want to try a used car lot. She paid $5,000 down on the car and also paid it up through December. Well, the car didn't last 6 months. And after the advice of a dealership that specializes in this particular car, we had to get an adjuster involved. And the adjuster advised us that, in which the owner told me, because we started questioning, that it was not a salvage title and that it had never been, had a fender bender. Well, we found out from the adjuster that it was a salvage title and it had been totaled 2 years ago. So I'm trying to, play mom rescue and figure out what legally can be done, because I heard that Georgia was not protected by the lemon law. And so what can be done to get her, get some kind of justice for what happened to her?
First of all, I don't think the lemon law would apply. Whoever gave you that information, I think is correct, but I do think you've got a claim against the dealership. And the problem may be whether the dealership is solvent, so you could take them to court. There probably might be some punitive damages that would be available for fraud. I mean, this seems very typically to be a fraud case. If you will call us tomorrow, I know a lawyer that's in Carrollton that does a lot of these types of cases. But I think you probably got a fraud claim, but it's going to come right back down to, what is this? You see so many used car dealerships that are fly by night. They're there today, tomorrow they may be gone. So, you've got to find a deep pocket. And when I say a deep pocket, I mean someone that's solvent, that would be able to pay any kind of judgment that you got. Otherwise, she may be in bad shape. What's your take on that, Marty?
I agree. I think she definitely needs to talk to a lawyer, because and that's a huge issue, and that's why the state makes you get these salvage titles, is because once a car is totaled or once there's a certain amount of damage done to it, that car can't ever be sold again under normal circumstances. Has that salvage title. That dealer definitely knew that. If he owned that car, bought that car from somebody, he got that title. It says it on the title. So I think I agree with you. I think it's a very clear fraud case, and if there's money there, the dealer's solvent, then I think you should go after that.
And that is an issue. I mean, a salvage title, the car can be sold, the car can be repaired, but it has to be inspected by the state to make sure the work was done properly, and I think salvage still has to be denoted on the title.
Yeah, it does.
And Nita, if you'll stick with us to the end of the show, we'll be sure to run the phone number for Reynolds, Horne Survant for you to get that referral for the attorney in Carrollton.